come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm embroso with me yeah. Me person me come
Adams. 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 Come. You know sir they call you.
Yes, sir.
You know sir they call you. How you taking too long then? But you hear my shouting. Huh? Can't you shame your teacher call you but you take it too long in this room? Where is Ejiwa? Ejiwa! Ejiwa! You come. Can't you see I'm shouting Ejiwa, but you take it too long there? Huh?
Daddy,
Shut up, Ejiwa! Shut up! Hey, again, your man campus and I'm on. Baby, so say, a dear Noma, and I walk on your Jewa Moyano. Oh, when you are innocent, but you are bad! You are bad! Jajame! Hey, again, I'm good campus and I'm Moyano. What me boka se bi sua de adwene we bi case yo. What's your something na obey on? Sir, no, look at your mouth. Who kissing your mouth?
Nobody. Sir, nobody.
I say, tell me, Ejewa, who kissing your mouth?
Sir, nobody has kissed me.
We are through for who? Who? Hey, Yawo no. Yawo no me boa. Me pese that thing we jina baby upon me impone. So me papa be a teacher, a big teacher. The big teacher in the whole world in Ghana for tree. But
Sam,
one,
this is false
accusation.
accusation.
Can't you shut up for me? Can't you shut up?
There's nothing going on between us.
Stop.
Since you left, I've not even seen him. It was just last 3 days that I saw him. There's nothing going on. I promise. So why would I lie? I'm telling you the truth, Emma. I'm still the precious, you know. I'll never lie.
But you changed.
No, I haven't.
Can't you shut up? Adia mu yen hanya. What the one son and nam the breath mu nyina.
Hey!
What's hey?
That's a lie.
What lie? Can't you see? Precious, why? Precious, why? Precious. Think about your education. Whoa! Would you be come do be faso? Na munim, na me tsebu wo saje no hu bie mu ho. Na mo kwenche, ye be move mu nyina akosa hosting foforo na ya to ni. Ye move mu nyina de mako. A security ho. Ye wie so ya the camera be for CTC camera. Na what camera be show no. Adanse wo be bibi a camera no be capture no. You see. Me kwa me nka biem, ye the security ba. Na niema mo ye ni school mu nyina be daddy. Wo, me se wo di wo be kwaya me do be fa so. What it? Ya kawa si wan wo pompono ai wanim sa ayi ka so atogu ho. You are a wicked boy. You are a wicked boy. I will show you khaki no leather. You see. Come on, quickly. Go, mama, ni son tete me. You stand. Why are you doing like that?
Sema, there's nothing going on between Scanty and I promise.
Look at your mouth. Look at your mouth.
Kissed anybody.
Oh, come on, you can look at your mouth. Huh? Are you crazy?
I don't like him.
Take black and red. Huh? And I mean, who said him? That you are. You are okay, can't call him. I'm not warning, she. Huh? Hey. Daddy. Bye-bye.
Yeah, me pen kwa me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso.
Now my be my fraud that some no one come that I no about it.
Ah, the me wanna go friend me sana. Me go friend me man can't trust me ba. Ah, go friend ni pa what so friend me to asa.
Na dey ni kwa say me friend for to. Share. Many abre.
Ah, when you be na sen komo e nkomo. Ma ba ke kan sem kro.
Menyem.
Wo ya dai.
Menyem.
Na wo kan tra kan wa sa
na. Na ka me kan say na.
Ah, wo na nyem.
Enye me na ho abiem.
Sure, wo ne me. Asantoa jaisa yi lebo chebo sem wo kura. What?
Many abre o.
Wo ne me nyem.
Me ne wo na nyem.
Boys na wakwa ma boys na wo mu na wo
de me. Wo ka me jai boys ni na echidi. Me ne wo na nyem.
Pasam foforo ka ne
jai. Me pede na kan no na me ka cho. Wo bechi.
Na ohun woni pa ko yie de one na nyem.
Ewa.
Hey, ja sa concert no on. Se wonim na de sa concert ne ba on.
Ha? My me ka chiro wutimi kire me hio. She, obeji ana wonje.
Hear the watch there.
Obeji ana wonje.
Masa, I'm not ready for pregnant. Wo de yen kan ne ko hospital ne ko hu ye wo be pa nyinsa ne be see free. That's all. The one. Why minister no pe? Minister no pe? Ojoji pe?
Why ne ko hospital ko ime?
Na ntisi nka nyinsa na santo a wo ye ne dai.
She. Me wu junior chains.
Sure.
Na ho.
Wo ba be wo me junior chains. Can't you shame?
Me can't you shame?
Would you say wo challenge? Are you challenging the spirit, right?
Oni me that I
know challenge the spirit. But few more din kura ni jai me say kono ko clear.
Men clear.
Me say kono ko clear.
Men clear.
And say juma me di bi ti no woni class mu.
Me donya me ka school mu ha woni nka. School mu ha. Me donya me ka from headmaster. Ebesi juniors so. Ko biya besi enka wa ha.
Onse wo mu ade.
Sure.
Onse wo mu ade na enye wa.
Na me hu
kama me woro me ho ankyere wati aseti chani mu a me fa blame ma kama me woro me ho ankyere wa anka betum ne kasa sei ka to shim so cheche ana no
shim ni bi
me say kona kwa kra ade ni firi ho
menkle
so wan kre na we din kwase asem a on I will show you I'm crazy teacher.
You too, I'll show you I'm crazy too.
Okay,
I'll show you I'm crazy.
Makachira wasantoa.
You want to see the crazy side of me?
Oh, you too, you want to see my crazy side?
You want to see my crazy side?
Hey, yo.
I'll show you my crazy side.
Yo, lady, bitch.
You too, bitch. Bitch.
Makachira.
Me makachira.
Hey, lege. Posto dia wo ye no. What e? Posto. Dia wo ye no. Posto na ko klad ni firi. Menkle. Ti asema me ka cho na santo a enti wo gina bonten pa wo ni teacher. Eyiyi a wo yese enti wo se wo mu ade.
In this situation, wo nya me teacher o.
To shame am a teacher.
Now can't you shame? Wo shame an ka be first students.
Wo na me ka kire no ko na ko kra de ni firi ho de besi bia frɛ me.
Menkle. Mae.
Hey. Men fatini ni meti.
Ene me yan kan boko.
Don't ever follow me the ku.
Ene me yan kan boko.
E dey boko ni yan kan. Me ne waka asem na wie. Me nya ma dwen se me be wo. Hwɛ asantoa.
Wo me so asem about you.
Hwɛ o jichi mi o. Asantoa, o jichi me. Stop what you doing. Asantoa, o de Jemi mu, o de Jemi.
Me kan boko ara.
Me si o de Jemi mu. O de Jemi mu. Jemi.
Yeah, me pen kwa me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso with me yeah. Me person me come any months I drum me yeah. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah. I pray that today you go be my day. Yeah. Yeah, me pen kwa me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso drum me yeah. Me person me come any months so when me yeah. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. So Jehovah, hallowed be thy name. Let thy
honestly, you take your hands off.
I mean, sad about me.
You don't know what I'm coming to say. You don't know.
But that's disrespectful. At least tell us.
If you joke, I'll go. I want to
take
your hands off.
Wait, let me listen. Oh, please, let me listen to it. What
I saw you guys with saying my yesterday. Warning you guys to stay away from each other, and you're still working together. See, why?
Why? But it's nothing. It will seem like we are friends.
Be honest. I'm being honest with you. You can do this at the hostel, but on campus, don't be working together, holding your hands. It's not good. Do it low key. I'm not saying leave him. You can still date him, but be low key on campus. When you come to the hostel, you can do all of this stuff there.
Well, what Anderson is saying is true.
No, me uncle there, you guys should forget about him. They are not bad.
Oh, but just in case, okay?
No,
I don't want
Precious.
him to be calling me.
Precious.
He knows my mother, Scanty.
I know he even talks to your mom and dad.
He will tell
but
my mom.
Like, on can't.
My mom is so strict.
No.
Hey, why are you being boss?
No, and he's my uncle. I know him. I also know him.
But he's a teacher in the school.
Scanty, please understand. You know I love you. We are still going to talk and all that, but we should just act like we are just friends on campus. Oh, Abigail. Okay, please.
Because of my uncle, no, you're
I'm
acting like friends.
But that's on campus where the teachers are. But like when when we are like alone, we can't act like that. Okay.
Just 3 hours, 4 hours you're going to spend in on campus. You can't be like friends.
Adding fuel to the fire.
Idea.
I can't hide my feelings. So, like,
so we are not going to hide it. We are just, acting. Okay. You know I love you. You love me too. So what's that?
I know I love you.
So let's just get away. Go away.
Leave. We are still on campus. I saw some girls gossiping about you. They will go and report you to the DC. Why you guys?
They should go. Do you know what they are also doing in the school?
Go.
Do you know what they are also doing in the school?
What they can do as anything.
But about saying my own, just because he knows my mother, let's just try and then make this low key.
He's the first person that you shouldn't be afraid of.
Because he's your uncle.
I don't want anybody to come and call me. Oh, they're way those things. I don't like that.
You already have issues, so at the DC, you and Aroma.
I know. Okay. Please accept it.
You leave, Scanty. Me, I don't want my friend to be in trouble. You leave.
You wait.
When you go to the hostel, you can do.
I'm trying to convince him. Oh,
you know the gossip, like Charlie.
We will talk about it, but you let him understand before.
Leave his hand.
You also leave my hand.
No. Look at him. Some people are looking at you.
Big girl, wait. Let me just let him understand first.
You don't understand. If they go and tell your mom, and your mom calls my mom, me, they will ignore you. I swear to God. I'll be like, yes, I won't say something for you.
I get it, but
you don't want to accept it.
No, I can't accept it.
Oh, accept.
No.
Oh,
Precious, you know I love you. How can I?
So is this how decision making is going to be?
No, but this decision is a very tough decision. But then my hide name because of say. Why didn't I make us?
She's with you because of you.
I know, but you shouldn't be.
Guy, I told her you were a good guy. I will be on to answer much time. Me, I'll tell you my mind. Me, I don't care. If your mom calls my mom, I swear, I saw my father's country. Precious, I will ignore you flat.
Oh, why are you acting this?
I will ignore you.
I said
leave his hands.
Oh,
leave his hands. Check I can't. Do not like I can't. You too. I know what I will do. Bye bye.
How are you?
Leave me alone.
Anderson.
Seer. How many times I called you?
3 times.
Good. Someone may be some Seer. Tell me the truth. Yes, Aroma abo. Yes, was.
See, I didn't do anything to him. I was there one time. I had a call from my dad, and then he's like, I should meet him, and then we should go and buy provisions since I don't have anything at the hostel. And then I said, okay. So when I left the hostel, I went straight to meet my dad. And then when I came back to the hostel, I met Aroma in front.
What time you come back to the hostel?
Around closing time. Like,
around crushing time.
yes.
Okay, continue.
I came to meet Aroma in front of the hostel. He asked me where I've been. I'm like, I went out with my dad. I didn't even finish my statement. The next thing I know, Aroma has slapped me.
Just
like that.
Just
I didn't
like
even
that.
do anything.
Aroma slap you just like that. It's over marriage. Sabema wono wa mo untina konkoma down. Konkoma love. Yeah, boy, ye child to na. Ne fa ho bo. Eno na dey. And no sabema pewa. Eno bo. Bema pewa omo. Makacho say we nye issue ese wo ne Aroma jai.
Sir, can you hear yourself?
And then ntina.
Sir, I can't.
Hey, I'm give you advice. You said that
Sir, this
you
is
can't.
too much. Why would you lay your hand
You
on somebody?
listen to me. Me a bema penny me can't brabo mun someone throw. Huh? Hey, me me soon it's nam the chadia bona no so sa adano kran e don so. E dan kran o don so. Se bema on pewa omo. Hey, any Aroma tina.
Sir, I can't. I already told him I can't be with him, so I've moved on. So I have somebody else.
You have what?
Somebody else.
Who?
My J.
You say?
My J.
Maji?
My J.
That stupid boy Maji? Can't do shame? Huh? Seer, can't do shame? You front of me, then you tell me say Maji.
Sir, what's Aroma?
Shut up! Huh? What's wrong? What's wrong with you? A dear in the house. Boy, we are watching Seer and them campus who are said you my J wouldn't be.
Sir, he even got me a necklace. I've been in a relationship with Aroma for like a while now. He hasn't even given me anything of that sort. Not even a bracelet, no a ring. Not to talk about a bracelet. Like,
the black slate. Can't you shame in front of me say bracelet? Huh? Or no san kwasi ampenye ni wi na ane na ekotena san wo dotie Aroma nyeska sisi ababi Aroma do besi no Aroma be tro udin agu na koma ho eti bi na o mpene sa wi dabe na uni no the white man say old friends are the best. Why are you slipping old friends to take a new friend? Why are you doing like that? Huh?
Sir, Aroma won't help me.
No.
Yes.
No, he help you.
He won't help me.
Hey, he help you.
Sir, he won't. He won't help me.
Don't you ever follow that fucking guy.
Sir, cheese, this is love. I can't. Sir.
Love, do you know love? Do you know love? Do you know love? V-O-T-E-L. Do you know love?
It's L-O-V-E.
Sorry, L-O-V-E. Huh? See, I see my make catch the one. No need romance now. Don't question when you bet you no a war no one you no a sell life. We what she hey, and my man cancer ma any cancer me can. Huh? Who say say when wako prison aba? Yeah, who say yare one home.
At least he wouldn't lay his hands on me or something. Sir, with Aroma, it's over. I
Stop! Hey, stop! See the make catch the one. Nyeme yenko na me hwema. Wafra Aroma nene entrance na monkasa na montra mo baby yes sa debi asem wo beto no hey na wo dey how when a child sa story when a child huh she what leave
send me I won't date Aroma anymore.
Hey you say Indian. Yeah.
Yeah, me pen kwa me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso with me yeah. Me pesa me come any months so me yeah. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah. I pray that today go be my day. Yeah. Yeah, me pen kwa me know the parties they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso me yeah. Me pesa me come any months so me yeah. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. So you
Why are you here? Hey. What do you want to say? Now we did in school.
Please, what did I do?
Foolish things, Ben. I want to school now. Hey, we'll be here. Won't.
I don't know what you're talking about.
I didn't know about Seer.
Me?
I didn't know what me Seer. Now what's she not? Well, why are you crazy? Baby, how long? Huh? I won't walk Seer soon. I don't know.
So me nyɛ ne bibia me nim ne nto omoka sansem me nyɛ Seer.
Hey. You know tell me the truth. No tell me the truth.
Miss man so nkoto ade
I said you know tell me the truth. Come to shame. Stupid how you are student.
Miss man so nkoto ade o kantin wonum na ono ko yireska na me de me saposa ne mfuno kakra bi.
Na wo suma wo bi na so nkoto ade mla na wa check kakra. Wo no wudun say kopoma yi won. Ah? Ah me bi say wan pe wudun say school mu anyina wo ni nipa me pa wasem. School mu anyina wo ni boy ya to say wo dem different. Ah wo me pa wasem pa. Seer ono na baboa wo. Oba wo ne tina ko tere wo nsa be ma ko bo oba edai. Be ma ye mo oba. Be ma wo tia oba wo ba bi a wo de tia oba. Fa wo be ma tia oba sebe. Emfa wo nsa enkonko tia oba. Adena wo yesa. Akoda wi Seer ne ye oba bi a oba boa wo wabra bom. Fa kwa Seer ba na wo wani ko no no. Wo ye John. Eh? Seer, nena.
She says she doesn't like me again, sir.
What ya tell ba wona wonye nhuye. Hwe oba pa krokro. Chine trans ne krokro no. Se wonim kusu kura ato a, tunu kusu ana samponsa kura na wonima ponsa. Bona ponsa kan ititu akoma so. Na ponsa fefo ni ti na ka de desem oba pa desem. Krokro oba. Ye mu oba, ye krokro oba. Omu ye maame nom. I am raso mu ditri mu degu yeso.
Tell me Seer, I like that though. I like that. But it drew baby now she was acting weird or seeing the ninja want to say she's with my J.
Oh, just before jam my J na sam. We my J ni jano. Me. Adia me kan ma mi da. Adia me di be sobo ne ni kura nkan otuku mu ada.
Otimi ni me kun o.
Obegbani. It was school mu ha. See the me catch. See. Focus Seer. Ko pa na chaw. Krokro no me se tunukus. Krokro no me pa wasem. School mu wo ni pa bia me pa wasem. Seer no. Fa boso. Fa bo ni mu. This a grader. This is greater than it be to me.
But you said you don't like me.
Oh,
too long
stop!
Now,
You said.
What did the matter with Biana?
Jai, me wouldn't do a baby dear me. Yes, she must mean na. Where the day? Oh, you ba. Oh, mon cambra bomwa. Ye. Sanka di baby dear bear me bin ka bear me bin conquer or baby. Your bear me be dear or baby ko baby ko wale bear me be. Can't you shame so far about you? Huh? Oh, the company chow ne chine tinasi. Ne krokro no. What you see me catch on? Na me tawachi. A boy no, say we need boy. I would deal with that boy.
Alright, sir.
Okay?
Okay.
Be strong.